Okay, here we have question number 8 from from October, November 2017, paper 4, variant number 3. And in this question, we are asked, first of all, about straight line graphs here. And the first part of the question, we are told there's a line called line A, which has the equation y equals 5x minus 4. Line B has an equation 3x plus 2y equals 18. We've got to find the gradient of line A. Now, to find the gradient of a line, when you're given this equation, it's easiest for you to basically write them in the form y equals mx plus c. So if you have them written out in the form where y is a subject of the formula, straight away you can read from the equation the gradient, which is m, this is the gradient, and the y-intercept, which is c. This is the y-intercept, the place where the line cuts the y axis. So here they're only concerned about the gradient in this question. So for line A, there's no problem. It's already in the form y equals mx plus c. Y equals 5x minus 4. So we can say the gradient straight away is the coefficient of x, which is 5. So the gradient is 5. Okay, for line B, it's in the form 3x plus 2y equals 18. Now what we can do here is we can make y the subject of this formula by isolating it on its own. So we're going to have 2y equals, I'm going to write it in this way to make it clearer, minus 3x plus 18, taking away 3x from both sides, and then divide both sides by 2. So you have minus 3 over 2 x plus 9. I divided each of those terms separately by 2, thereby I have got these two terms as separate terms. Okay, if I divided the whole thing by 2, then I would have to split them into separate fractions anyway. Okay, so y equals minus 3x, 3 over 2x plus 9. So here the gradient is the minus 3 over 2. The gradient here is the m part, is that part which is the coefficient of x, which is negative 3 over 2. Okay, so there we have the gradient and of line 1 and line A and line B. Then it says write down the coordinates of the point where line A crosses the x-axis. Now, something crosses the x-axis when y equals 0. The x-axis, its equation is y equals 0. Everywhere on the x-axis, y is equal to 0. So the line A will cross the x-axis when y is 0. So if you've got the equation of the line, which is y equals 5x minus 4, like when y is equal to 0, you'll have 0 equals 5x minus 4, and then you can just rearrange that formula. You'll have 4 is equal to 5x. You have to divide both sides by 5. You get x equals 4 over 5, which is 0.4. Sorry, 0.8. So it's going to be 0.8 and 0. Okay, the next part of the question I will do in the next video, part C. Okay.